Hi boys and girls, let's get ready to start another OG lesson. Let's start by reviewing some of our words. We have our silent E that makes the vowel say its name, that makes the G soft. We have our suffix ing that means now, it says ing, and es that means more than one, and our s that means now when it's on our action word, and our ed that means in the past. So you read these with me or echo me. Plate, huge, page, our base word, tracking, our base word, patch is, patches, fly, our base word, flip, flips, our base word, melt, melted. How did we know that said ed? Our base word ends in a T. And stand. Let's read these again. A little bit smoother, a lot stronger. Here we go. Plate, huge, page, tracking, patches, fly, flips, melted, stand. Can you read these again? If you are wearing the color white, plate, huge, page, tracking, patches, fly, flips, melted, stand. How about read these if you are wearing the color red, plate, huge, page, tracking, patches, fly, flips, melted, stand. Let's read these one more time. If you are wearing the color orange, plate, huge, page, tracking, patches, fly, flips, melted, stand. I'm thinking of a word and it's an action word that happened in the past and it's when all the snow is all gone. It has melted. I'm thinking of a word and it's what you call when you turn something in a book, you go to the next one, a page, right? I'm thinking of a word and it's a synonym to a dish that you eat off of. A plate, it means the same thing. I'm thinking of a word and it can be an action word that you do in the sky, a plane does, a jet, fly. I'm thinking of a word and it's a synonym to big or giant, huge. I'm thinking of an action word and it's what you do when you do cartwheels and your body's going over and over, flips, right? All right, this time you say the word before I exit out. Stand, tracking, huge, flips, patches, melted, page, fly, plate. And we have been working on our soft G and soft C. Remember our soft G, when followed by an E, has that J sound. And our soft C, when followed by an E, has the S sound. All right, so we're going to practice. This time I see it all at the beginning. So you echo me. Gem, gent, gel, cell, scent, gen. Oh, we have a silent E that hops over one consonant, makes that E say E, and it's still a soft G. Gene. My C got erased. Seed. Let's read these again all together now, a little bit stronger, a lot stronger. Gem, gent, gel, cell, scent, gen, gene, seed. Now this kind of gem is like a jewel, not like when you go to PE gym. This is gem, has the eh. All right. Let's read these again. If you are wearing the color blue, here we go. Gem, gent, gel, cell, scent, gen, gene, seed. Can we read these again? If you are wearing the color black, gem, gent, gel, cell, scent, gen, gene, seed. So I'm thinking of a word, and it's something that's kind of sticky that you put in your hair. Do you know what that is? Gel, right? I'm thinking of a word, and it's a money word, and we use it when we're talking about our coins. Cent. We have lots of cents. I'm thinking of a word, and it's another name, a synonym to a jewel, like what I put on some of our hats when we read. Gem, right? And this word gent can be part of gentle or gentleman. All right, this time you shout the word out before I exit out. Gen. Ooh, silent E hops over one consonant to make that E say E and to make the C soft. Seed, gene, gel, gem, cell, scent, gent. All right, let's get our paper out ready to practice and write. Put our date today. I'm thinking of a word, or I'm not thinking of a word. I'm saying a sound, and it says S. Write the lowercase letters that say S as in nice. That's your key word. S, nice, but we're not writing an S. How do we get that sound? If it's not an S, it's that soft C, C-E. Write me the lowercase letters that say O as in home. How do we get the O sound? O, consonant E. Write me the lowercase letters that say sh as in ship. It's the SH, right? Write me the lowercase letters that say I as in bike. I, consonant E, right? Write me the lowercase letters that say U or oo. U as in mule, oo as in tune. How do we get that sound? U, consonant E. That's silent E. Write me the lowercase letters that say sp. It's the SP, right? Esplend. Write me the lowercase letters that say all as in ball. All, A-L-L, says all. Write me the lowercase letters that say S as in nice again. How do we get that sound? We did it once. We're going to do it again. It's that soft C, right, as in nice. Write me the lowercase letters that say ch as in catch. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, ch is spelled T-C-H. Write me the lowercase letter that says I. It's that short I. Write me the lowercase letters that has three sounds, and it means in the past. It's a suffix that comes at the end of the word, and it means in the past we already did it. Ed, d, or t. It's that ED. Write me the lowercase letters that say J as in huge. And it's that soft sound. It's not a J. It's not the DGE. We're not saying it in a short vowel sound. J. It's that GE, right? All right, let's get our tapping hand out. Let's get ready to practice words. Our first word is side. Side. Like part of outside. I hear that I sound. I, consonant E, side. We need that silent E to make the I say I. Our next word is fresh. Fresh. 4 sounds, but 5 letters. Fresh. Our next word is my. Ooh, my. I hear a one vowel in a one syllable word, my. Y says I. My. Our last word is ditch. D-itch. 3 sounds but 5 letters. I hear a short vowel I. D. Make sure you're making a D. Itch. At the end of a one syllable word after one short vowel. Ch is spelled T-C-H. Let's go back and read these together. Side, fresh, my, ditch. Now at the diamond, can you make an extra blank for me? And we're going to go back over our 2 new sounds. C-E says C-E says. So it says when followed by the stick vowel, E, I, or Y. And G-E says J. G-E says J. When followed by the stick vowel, E, I, or Y. So the E, I, or Y makes the C and G soft. Let's get ready to practice. Flip your paper over. Our first word to tap out, gem. J-M. I hear 3 sounds. There's 3 letters, but we're not writing a J at the beginning. How do we get the J sound? No J. It's that soft G followed by the E. Gem. Yeah, it's a short vowel sound. Gem. Our next word is gent. Part of gentleman. Gentle. Let's tap it. Gent. 4 sounds, 4 letters. I hear not a J. It's that soft G followed by the E. Gent. Gent. Our next word is cent, like 1 cent. Cent. It rhymes with gent. So we're not writing an S. How do we get that soft sound? Followed by an E. Cent. C-E-N-T. And our last word is cell, like a cell phone. L. Ooh, I hear a L at the end of a one syllable word, cell, after one short vowel, eh. L is spelled L-L. Now we're not writing an S. How do we get that soft sound? C-E-L, followed by the O, L-L. Let's go back and read these words together. Gem, gent, cent, cell. We don't have a brand new memory word. We did this one yesterday. It's a question word. It starts with that WH like a lot of our question words, but it doesn't sound like what, like whistle. Nope. How do we say it? Who. Who are you? Let's skywrite. Look at it. W-H-O says who. W-H-O says who. W-H-O says who. Let's say it as we write it. W-H-O says who. W-H-O says who. W-H-O says who. W-H-O says who. Let's look at it 2 more times. Here we go. W-H-O says who. W-H-O says who. It's just not saying that W-H sound we normally say. Like what? Can you do it on your own? Let's check it. Who has it right? W-H-O says who. Now, do you remember how to spell that word been? Like we have been working hard. B-E-E-N says Ben. An extra E. It's not the boy's name, Ben. We have been reading. Who remembers water has that special sound of wa. W-A has that special sound that says wa. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Says water. So we have who, been, and water. Let's get our sentence ready with cops. Could be a telling sentence or an asking sentence or a sentence with expression. Capital, the order of our sentence, our words, our punctuation, our spelling. Listen to the sentence. I have 9 cents to spend. Let's count. I have 9 cents to spend. 6 words. So we start with our capital and it's I. So I by itself is always uppercase. I have, I think you've got that word have. No English word ends in V, always followed by silent E. I have 9. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. How do we get that I sound? I, consonant E, 9 cents. Cent. So our base word is cent. Cent. But there's no S at the beginning. How do we get that sound if there's no S? Scent. Scent is that soft C. Scent. Now that's a cent, but we need a suffix. I have 9 cents. Now we need our S for the suffix because we have more than one. I have 9 cents to spend. Let's tap it out. Sp. And 5 sounds, 5 letters. Sp. And I hear that ending blend. And spend. I have 9 cents to spend. I'm telling you, I have 9 cents to spend. So it's a telling sentence, just a period. I have 9 cents to spend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. Good spacing between your words. Our period, because we're telling you I have 9 cents to spend. All right, good job today, boys and girls.